Hi, welcome to Flowtra. In this demo, we will look at API data extract and autofilling a form. Let's get started. Log into Dashboard. Type the URL to the form to autofill. Click Record to start recording. This will open a new browser and load the URL for recording. Now click on Add Smart Step and choose from API. This will open up API Smart Step dialog. Let's give a name for this step. Enter the endpoint details. You can also add headers as needed, such as auth headers. Once done, click Test Request. It will show you the preview of response. Examine the response and click Infer Columns. This will automatically prepare columns for you. Optionally, you can add filters to filter out unwanted data from the response. Notice that the operator is based on the column type. In this case, it's text operations. Click Save Step to add this smart step. Now let's add a loop to use this data. Click Add Smart Step again and choose Data-Driven Loop. Select the extract step we just created. Give it a name and add step to start a loop. Now we can record steps inside this loop. Open the recording window and start recording the steps to fill the form. We can later map these fields to the data from API. Notice how it automatically recognizes sensitive info and prompt to map secrets. Check out our secrets management video to learn more. Once done, we can map these fields to the API columns to autofill. Click Finish Loop Recording to close the loop. And simply click on the field and choose Map Column. Choose the column you want to map and click Done. Now you can click Preview to verify flow runs as expected. As you can see, it's filtering the rows with .biz emails and filling the form. That's it. You can now run this flow anytime on Replay tab, or schedule it to run periodically at your choice. Thanks for watching. Go to http://flowtra.app and sign up today for free. You can also explore as guest and join as design partner and shape the future of Flowtra. We will work with you on your needs and help create flows for free.